The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Georgetown Interstate Transmission. Georgetown Interstate Transmission and Auto Repair is a family-owned and operated business that wants to help you get back on the road. Here to tell us more today are Brandon, Matt, Ian, Joe Bob, and Ashley. Brandon, my first question is coming to you. A common misconception that people have is that in order to get service for their vehicle, they have to go to the dealership. Tell me about that.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. That is the big misconception that we do have here is that, we don't have the right tools or the equipment to work on those vehicles, and we actually do. We provide all the main equipment that is required to program or even diagnose most vehicles, including, European vehicles like Porsche or even Mercedes, some of the big ones that a lot of folks don't understand, that they can go to smaller shops like us and still get that same service with same-day turnaround time as long as parts are available.
Okay, Matt, my next question for you. How is your diagnostic process so effective?
We have a great team here, lots of good skill sets. For instance, Ian's our diesel tech, does a great job. I like personally dealing in some advanced diagnostics and stuff like that, and we have great diagnostic equipment. So a combination between that and a good multi-point, we can tell you exactly what's wrong with your car and kind of give you a good overview of what all your car needs.
Ian, we're coming to you. Are there any specialty services that you offer that other shops may not?
Yeah, so we do have a few specialties, one of them being European cars, but we definitely like to do the diesel work. Diesel is definitely a specialty that we do excel in here. It makes it a specialty just because diesels operate on a different set of principles than normal gasoline cars do. You also have to have the tooling for it. When we do like big diesel trucks, we need to have big equipment to service these vehicles properly, and the special tools that are involved are very expensive, and not every shop is willing to put that investment into those types of diagnoses. So here at Georgetown Interstate, we are definitely not afraid of touching all that stuff. So.
Joe Bob, you're the head of this operation. What's one thing drivers can do right now to avoid costly repairs?
Well, the thing about it is with the check engine lights, people need to be concerned about a light that comes on. If a light comes on, you need to bring it in, have it taken a look at.
Ashley, if you don't mind, tell us a little bit about your family-run business.
Yes, so my dad started this business when I was 2. I'm his oldest daughter, so my sisters and I basically grew up in the shop when we were little. We spent a lot of summers here. We were out of school. And now that we've got a third generation, he's got grandkids now. My hope is to continue raising them up in the shop the same way we did. And when you go to a family-owned business, they treat you like family. And that's how all of my team here, from my technicians all the way to the guys at the front, they take care of people. They find what's wrong with their car. They do the small things that go a long way.
I appreciate your time today, guys. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To schedule a service, call the number on your screen or visit GeorgetownAutoRepair.com.
I'm Layton with Georgetown Interstate, and you're watching Studio 512.
The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Georgetown Interstate Transmission.